If you like a guy and you want the guy to come at you, what you're going to do is you're not even going to show him that you like him. You're not going to always want to get his attention, always want to be there at his face, always want to buy water for him, always want to cook for him, always want to, oh, you dropped something, let me help you. You're always there. Whenever he tells you, you're always there. Whenever you look, you're always there. He's going to get tired of you without even knowing you in the first place. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. So I just want to talk about this topic where it's quite very serious because people are doing it, and I want to give my own advice to my beautiful and virtuous ladies that are going to be watching me. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So the question is, should a lady ask a guy out or should a lady ask a man out, whichever one you want? Yeah, it's actually a question that is worth deliberating upon. So I know you're watching this video to know my own take. My own take on it is that I don't think a lady should ask a guy out. As a lady, asking a guy out is already going against the way the order of things are supposed to be. But if you go ahead and do it, here's what's going to happen. You are going to be the one to be saying, let's go on a date, or let us do this, let us do that. You are always going to be the initiator of things, initiator of conversations, initiator of actions, where it's not supposed to be that way. You are not supposed to be the initiator of things. The man is meant to do all of that. So I don't really think a lady should ask a guy out. I don't think a lady should make the first move. A lady can make the first move without making the first move. I'm going to explain what I just said because I like what I just said. There are some moves you can make without audibly saying that I want to have a relationship with you. You have the power to do anything you want to do. As ladies, we have power to make somebody to ask us out even when the person does not want to. So that's one thing I'm talking about right now. You have the power to make anybody to want you, all right? In a godly way though. Okay, so I'm going to give you tips and advice on how to do that. If you see somebody that you like, if you see a guy you like, do not just act all clingy. Listen, oh my God. You have to hold up yourself in high esteem. You have to carry yourself up there, not in a prideful way, but in a way that communicates that you value yourself. When you go after a man and ask the person to date you, you are not actually valuing yourself. You can put yourself in a situation, you can position yourself well, that he will be the one to come to you. But he will not even realize that you are the one that made the first move without speaking. That is how powerful you are, ladies. So you can make any man to date you without making the first move. So I don't really buy the idea of we going out to make the first move, because if you do that, you always be the one to make the first move, except the man has lots of sense up there and he takes on the responsibility of being a man and that sort of thing. But just allow the man to be the man, okay? A man that is actually a man will really do things that men do in the right way, in the right way. Anything I'm talking about right now is under the umbrella of godliness. It's under the umbrella of godliness. Please don't get me wrong, okay? So allow the men to do what the man is meant to do, all right? So wait, subscribe to my channel if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, please, and like the video. Thank you so much. If you like a guy and you want the guy to come at you, what you're going to do is you're not even going to show him that you like him. You're not going to always want to get his attention, always want to be there at his face, always want to buy water for him, always want to cook for him, always want to, oh, you dropped something, let me help you. You're always there. Whenever he tells you, you're always there. Whenever you look, you're always there. He's going to get tired of you without even knowing you in the first place. So what we're going to do is be yourself. Be your true self. Develop yourself. God. See, listen to me. If you develop your self-confidence, develop your self-esteem, develop your self-image, develop your self-worth. Listen, all these things I said, they have one thing in common. They have self in front of every word. Self. That's how it is. Develop yourself in such a way that the person you even want him to come and ask you out will not only be the person that will want you. Many people will want you. Why? Because everybody wants something of high value. Like, even if I don't have that much money to purchase a product, I want something of a high value, okay? And I hope that I'm going to have money to purchase that thing. That is how you are when you develop your self-worth, when you develop your self-value. You're going to attract people that will be wishing that they have that confidence to come and meet you, to ask you out if you develop yourself, all right? So the person you are even wanting, he might not even be the one to come and ask you out. Somebody better than him will be the one to come to ask you out. And then you'll be wondering, why was I even liking that person in the first place? So that is how it is, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, because I know you like it. Like this video. Thank you. Subscribe. It's free. Subscribe and join me in this wonderful adventure. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Yes, I have to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.